There are some vehicles that look tough, and then there are vehicles that make you want to find the nearest dirt road just to see what they can do. The Ford Ranger Raptor falls firmly into the second category. The moment you climb into the driver's seat, it becomes clear this is not an ordinary pickup truck. Everything about it feels purpose-built for adventure. The seating position is commanding, the controls feel ready for action, and the wide stance hints at the engineering hidden underneath the bodywork. To truly understand what makes the Ranger Raptor special, imagine charging across rough terrain at speeds that would force most trucks to slow down. Rocks, ruts, gravel, and uneven surfaces become part of the experience rather than obstacles to avoid. That is exactly what Ford's engineers had in mind when developing this high-performance off-road machine. One of the most impressive aspects of the Ranger Raptor is its advanced suspension system. Unlike a traditional setup, the truck constantly monitors what is happening underneath it and reacts almost instantly. Sensors gather information hundreds of times every second, allowing the suspension to adapt to changing terrain conditions in real time. That technology becomes especially important when the truck leaves the ground. While many vehicles are designed to survive occasional rough landings, the Ranger Raptor was engineered with airborne moments in mind. The suspension can recognize when the truck is no longer in contact with the surface and prepare itself for the impact that follows. The result is a landing experience that feels surprisingly controlled and composed. The truck's reinforced frame and strengthened components also play a major role. Ford understood that serious off-road enthusiasts would push the vehicle beyond what most owners ever attempt. As a result, numerous areas of the truck were upgraded to withstand repeated punishment without compromising durability. Selecting Baja Mode transforms the truck's personality even further. Throttle response becomes sharper, gear changes become more aggressive, and the suspension is optimized for high-speed off-road driving. The exhaust note also becomes more pronounced, creating an experience that feels closer to a desert racing machine than a conventional pickup. As speed builds across loose gravel and dirt, confidence grows quickly. The steering remains predictable, the chassis stays balanced, and the truck encourages the driver to keep exploring its limits. What could feel intimidating in another vehicle becomes remarkably approachable in the Ranger Raptor. Perhaps the biggest surprise is how refined the truck remains despite its extreme capability. It can handle challenging terrain with ease while still providing the comfort expected from a modern daily driver. That balance is difficult to achieve, yet it is one of the Ranger Raptor's greatest strengths. The truck's reputation has also been earned through real-world competition. Success in some of the toughest off-road racing environments on the planet demonstrates that the engineering is more than marketing. The same technologies that help professional drivers tackle brutal desert courses are available in a vehicle that can be legally driven on public roads. For many enthusiasts, the idea of jumping a truck sounds thrilling, but also slightly terrifying. The Ranger Raptor changes that perception. Its sophisticated suspension, rugged construction, and intelligent technology work together to create a sense of confidence that few vehicles can match. At the end of the day, the Ranger Raptor is not just about speed or off-road performance. It is about creating memorable experiences behind the wheel. Whether crossing rough trails, exploring remote landscapes, or briefly finding yourself airborne over a gravel crest, it delivers the kind of excitement that reminds drivers why they fell in love with vehicles in the first place.